0.5. So you need your masking tape, your paper tape. Actually, it's paper tape you need. You don't need the normal transparent tape. Ensure that your needle is inside. So you can see I use my wheel to push my needle. My needle is inside, it's not up. And then my foot is high, it's not down. You can see this is down and this is up. And so my foot is up and then my needle is down. Okay, so I'll cut my tape. Now this part that has the sticky part, I'll place it just beside the needle, not on the needle. You can place it beside the needle, then you stick it down. Okay, you stick it down. So we want to mark 0.5. So you're marking 0.5. So this is my 12 is on the end of this tape, and then I will mark, and then I will come to this side also. I will mark. So what I just need a half inch. I need half inch line. I'm trying to make a half inch line, then I'll mark again. You can use pencil for this. I'm using a marker because I want it to be very, very clear. So you now use your ruler to connect it. Please, this is how your hand can be straight. Okay, so you do it. So you can see now I have my 0.5. So from here, say from this beginning to this point is 0.5. I placed my tape and I mark 0.5. Okay, my fabric. Now I want to sew the 0.5. You can see now. So you can see now, you can see how straight it is. This is 0.5. Okay, this is half inch, and so do it like this. You can see that the tape is on my right, not on my left, on your left. Please don't do it on your left, you won't get it that way, because your fabric should be on your left and then the guide should be on your right. So you know, these are the lines. So this first line here is 1/4 inch. You can see 1/4, and then this second line here is half inch. You can see 1/2. This third line here is 3/4. You can see the 3/4, and then this one here is 1 inch. You can see the 1 inch here. So from this point here, when you place your you put your fabric here, you sew to this point, you are sewing 1/4. You sew to this point, you're sewing half. You sew to this point, you're sewing 3/4, and then you sew to this point, you're sewing 1 inch. Okay, that's it already. So you can see from the needle point to this point is 0.5. From the needle point to this point here is 1 inch. So this is the 1/4 inch. So I'm sewing on the second line. So the second line is 0.5. That's 148. So we'll make sure my fabric is on this line here. So I'll bring down half inch. So I'll use marker. Now I want to sew on 3/4 on this 3/4 here. So this is 3/4. Make sure my hand, and then I want to sew 1 inch. Now this is the line for 1 inch, this one here. So I'll place my fabric now. Make sure so can you see it? You can see the 1 inch from here to here is 1 inch. 0. This is 1/4. This is half. This is 3/4. And this is 2 inch. So your plate can